going to the underground station thingy so you can go to the beach.
Look, I can show you if you want.
Nice boobs. Some place to stop for drink. And look what I bought. Look, I burnt my face. Isn't that lovely? I didn't tan or burn any other place except my face. It's like the only place I show except my legs and my arms. Oh. Sunglasses, look at this. Boom. I burnt my face. I also burnt my crackers, you know. White. Roy pina colada. Such a really nice. Right, now we're gonna go back and get the train back to our house. So the vlog had to stop there because I was ill in the evening and I didn't film on the way home, so that was the end of the vlog. So basically that is the end. I'm sorry that vlog 2 was up a bit late, so this is vlog 3, and then vlog 4 is going to be up tomorrow, vlog 5 on today, and it'll be back to normal, so bye.